Hello and welcome. I hope you'll join me on this flight from Vienna to Dusseldorf in the MD11F. Departing runway 34 via the Kovel 4 Delta SID. The FMC waypoints as per this chart. Weather at Dusseldorf suggests a runway 5 in use with a BICMU star. We'll be flying with multi-crew experience. This gives you, as the captain, complete control over procedures and checklists. Everything is completely customizable. Your own company checklist can be implemented at will. And speaking of will, the first officer for today will be William, who is a native of Holland, I believe. He was born in Noord-Vakantie. Here we go. Cockpit preparation procedure.
Set up cockpit. Battery turned on. APU. Emergency lights armed. Standby. Electrical power auto. No smoke lights on. Fasten seatbelt signs on. Beacon lights turned on. Spoilers disarmed. Auto brake projected takeoff. Slash retracted. Navigation lights switched on. Connecting APU generator. APU air bleed switched on. Initial reference system 1 mode is set to nav. Initial reference system 2 mode is set to nav. Initial reference system 3 mode is set to nav. Master caution depressed. Hydraulic pump. Auxiliary pump 1 turned on. Fire detection.
Engine 1 fire. Engine 2 fire. Engine 3 fire.
Cockpit ready.
Engine 1 fire.
What is our CG?
Our CG is 25.2%.
Okay. Over to clearance.
Cam 1.2 decimal 12. VHF 1 tuned to clearance delivery.
Thank you. Clearance delivery, good afternoon. Martin Air 231 with information. Requesting IFR clearance to Dusseldorf.
Parking brakes.
Martin Air 231 heavy cleared to Echo Delta Delta Lima via published departure procedures, then as filed climb flight level 70 squawk 3366 departure frequency 129.05.
Roger, Martin Air 231 is cleared to Dusseldorf. Climb 7000 squawk 3366.
Martin Air 231 heavy, read back correct.
Over to ground.
Cam 1.6.
Release parking brakes.
Ground, Martin Air 23 request push and start.
Martin Air 231 heavy, cleared to push. Start at your discretion. Contact ground when you're ready on 121.6.
Roger, 121.6. Bye-bye. Over to ground.
Roger, Cam 1.121.6. Already set, Captain.
Thank you.
58 ground taxi holding point.
Okay, I'm ready when you are. Cockpit preparation checklist.
100.
Oxygen and masks.
QNH 100.
System display status.
558.
Hydraulic panel.
Auto.
Fuel panel.
Auto.
Fuel quantity.
Checked.
Exterior lights.
As required.
Flight control panel.
Set.
IRS.
Zero taxi.
FMS.
Release parking brakes.
Set.
Fuel switches.
Off.
ECAM warning system.
Check.
Flap takeoff selector.
Zero.
Radar trim.
Zero.
Aileron trim.
Zero.
Auto brake.
Ejected takeoff.
Cockpit preparation. Checklist complete.
Thank you. Before start flow.
Before start flow. Hydraulic pump. Auxiliary pump 1 on. Checking transponder.
TCAS test.
Set transponder 3366.
TCAS
Transponder
test.
code 3366.
Release parking brakes.
Transponder check. Set. Got that. Pneumatics system control. Parking brake set. Ready for push and start.
Thank you. Before start checklist.
Yep, let's start checklist. Before start checklist. Beacon.
On.
Ignition.
System A.
Fuel panel.
Auto.
Air panel.
Auto.
Cabin and doors.
No signal.
Parking brake.
On.
Before start checklist complete.
Parking brakes.
Thank you. Release parking brake.
Yep, parking brake released.
Algeria
Start engine 2.
request.
Okay, engaging starter. Engine 3. Start valve open. Engine 3 and 2.
Runway 29 QNH 1008.
Runway 29 QNH 1008, Air Algeria 757.
Fuel flow. Engine 3. Starter cutout. Engine 3.
Start engine 1.
Starter engaged. Engine 1. Start valve open. Engine 1 and 2.
Ground 1.
Austrian 652 ground.
Close
Taxi
ATC
2 the ramp.
Taxi 2, the ramp, roger. Austrian 652.
Fuel flow. Engine 1.
Start engine 2.
Roger. Engaging starter. Engine 2. Start valve open. Engine 2 and 2. Fuel flow. Engine 2.
Set parking brakes.
Set parking brake.
Okay, parking brake set. Starter cutout. Engine 2.
Thank you. Stabilize.
Right is clear.
Bye-bye.
Roger.
Got it.
Austrian
Engine anti-ice. 1, 2,
774.
3. Off.
Negative. Anti-ice on.
Engine anti-ice. 1, 2, 3. On a spare command.
Yes, that's better, thank you. After start checklist.
Checklist is on its way. After start checklist. Hydraulic panel.
Auto.
Fuel panel.
Auto.
APU.
It's still on. Switch off APU.
You said what? APU. Off. Cab?
Yes.
Many things. APU. Selected off. Your answer? Cab? APU.
Off.
Engine anti-ice.
On. As required. It's as required. Set.
Cockpit. Windows.
Closed.
Ground.
Clear.
After start. Checklist complete.
Thank you. Ground, Martin Air 231. Requesting taxi to the active.
Martin Air 231, heavy, ground, taxi holding point, runway 34, QNH 1008.
Roger, taxi holding, runway 34. Takeoff V1 135.
Yeah, confirm. V1135. Yep.
VR 137.
Yep.
V2 156.
Yeah. Got it, confirm. V1135.
Runway 29er, QNH
Helpful.
1008.
Runway
29er, QNH 1008.
Okay, forgive me, what did you say?
Vainiki 1446.
VR 137. V2 156.
Got it.
We're going to Echo Delta Delta Lima.
Yep, the destination airport is Echo Delta Delta Lima. Did I get it right?
Yep. Thanks. Before taxi flow.
Before taxi flow. Roger. Taxi lights turned on. Spoilers armed. Deploying the rat. Lights on. Get ready for the flight control check. Control stick. Right. Aileron up. Left. Aileron down. Control wheel. Left. Aileron up. Right. Aileron down. Control stick. Centered. Elevator. Up. Elevator. Down. Elevator. Pitch. Centered. Rudder. Full deflection. Right. Rudder. Full deflection. Left. Rudder. Centered. Flight controls. Fully working. Cap.
Thank you. Set flaps 15.
Sure. Flaps 15. Selected.
Taxi checklist.
Get ready to reply. The checklist is about to start. Taxi checklist. Flaps ready for checklist.
Set.
Flight controls test.
Ground,
Perform.
Terra 46,
Takeoff,
6,
temperature.
request, startup.
Taron 4,
Takeoff,
6,
speed.
6, ground,
Flaps
startup,
confirmed.
approved.
I take it you know the runway in use. FMS.
Checked.
Altimeter.
Set.
Please confirm.
Set 2992.
Sure.
Ground, Terra 466, request, taxi.
Taron 466, ground, taxi holding point, runway 29er, QNH 1008.
Runway 29er,
Runway
QNH
use is 34.
1008.
Runway
Terra
34.
466.
Do you need more time, Captain? Altimeter.
Set.
Departure briefing.
Completed.
Request.
Taxi checklist complete.
3432, ground, startup, approved. startup. UPS 5572, ground, startup approved.
Now, UPS 5572, request startup.
UPS 5572, ground, taxi holding points, runway 29er, QNH 1008.
Runway 29er, QNH 1008, UPS 5572.
Austrian 205 at India 5.
Austrian 205, ground, taxi to the ramp.
Taxi to the ramp, roger. Austrian 205.
Martin Air 231, heavy, ground, give way to the Swiss Embraer jet, taxi holding point, runway 34.
Roger, taxi runway 34 and give way to the Embraer. We have him in sight. Martin Air 231.
Martin Air 231, heavy, contact tower 121.2.
Roger, Martin Air 231, over to tower.
Okay, cam 121.2.
Tower, Martin Air 231 is with you. Taxi to runway 34.
Martin Air 231, heavy, roger. Air 231, heavy, tower, runway 34, line up and wait.
Roger, Martin Air 231, line up and wait.
On runway 34.
Heavy winds 320 at 8, runway 34, cleared for takeoff.
Roger, clear for takeoff, Martin Air 231. Select auto flight.
Affirmative.
LNAV.
Setting LNAV engaged.
VNAV.
Roger, selecting VNAV engaged.
Brakes. Brakes.
That's not very considerate to pull the parking brake that way.
Brakes. Brakes.
Couldn't you stop first before pulling the parking brake? 80 knots.
Roger, climb.
V1. Rotate. V2, positive climb.
Gear up.
Affirmative, gear coming up.
Select auto flight. Auto flight.
Auto flight. Gear up and secured.
Martin Air 231, heavy, contact departure 129.05.
Roger, Martin Air 231. Over to departure.
Yep, cam 129.05.
Flaps up.
Got it, flaps coming up. Set, com1 radio, switch to
Martin
departure.
Air 231, heavy, I say again, contact departure 129.05.
Roger, Martin Air 231.
Altitude.
Departure, Martin Air 231 is with you, climbing to 7,000.
Martin Air Air 231 Heavy. Departure, radar contact. Climb, flight level 120. No ATC speed restriction.
Roger, Martin Air 231 up to flight level 120. Set flight level 120. Set altitude flight level 120.
Flaps confirmed. Setting flight level 120.
After takeoff slow.
Radar contact.
After
Climb, flight
takeoff,
level
roger.
150. Fly heading
Auto brake off.
110 degrees. No ATC
Spoilers
speed
disarmed.
restriction.
Climb, flight
Lights
level
off as per command.
150. Fly heading
Ready for checklist.
110 degrees.
After takeoff
Arrow
checklist.
466.
Get ready to reply. The checklist is about to start. After takeoff checklist. Gear.
Gear up.
Gear already selected. Up cab.
Up.
Flaps.
Retracted.
Spoilers.
Disarm.
Auto brake.
Off.
Check the item again.
What is answer?
The normal setting is off. Flaps. Slats.
Up. Retracted.
Hydraulic panel.
Auto.
Hydraulic panel.
Auto.
Air panel.
Auto.
Fuel panel.
Auto.
Confirmed. Auto altimeter.
Cross check.
After takeoff. Checklist complete.
Thank you.
Departure, Austrian 123 is with you, leaving 4,700 feet for flight level 150.
Degrees.
Climb flight level 150. Fly heading 290 degrees. Austrian 123.
Martin Air 231 Heavy. Climb, flight level 150.
Roger, Martin Air 231, climb, flight level 150.
Affirmative. Selecting flight level 150.
Altitude
Martin
interview.
Air 231
Open
Heavy.
flight mode
Contact,
selected.
wing control 124.4.
Roger, Martin Air 231. Over to Vienna control. Show ATC window. Over to centre.
Okay, can't hear you. Please repeat. Frequency.
124.4.
Helpful.
Over to centre.
Okay, what was that again?
Martin Air
Frequency.
231 Heavy. I say again, contact, wing control
Radio 1 going to
124.4.
Roger, Martin Air 231. Centre, good afternoon. Martin Air 231 is with you.
Martin Air 231 Heavy. Wind control, roger, climb, flight level 190.
Roger, Martin Air 231. Up to flight level 190. Set flight level 190.
Selecting flight level 190. Done.
Altitude intervene.
Open climb mode selected.
Thank you. Hide ATC window.
Lauda Air 215, contact Bratislava control 134.65. Have a good flight.
Lauda Air 215, Bratislava control 134.65.
What is altitude?
16,300
Clear of
feet.
traffic, resume own navigation.
Resume own navigation.
What is
Lauda
airspeed?
Air 215.
352 knots.
Clear of traffic, resume own
What is
navigation.
heading?
Resume our navigation.
280 degrees.
MD range 50 miles.
EHSI range is set to 40. Done.
Thank you. System display, show fuel.
System control. Fuel pressed.
System display, show hydraulics.
System control. Hydraulic pressed.
System display, show electrics.
System control. Electrical pressed.
System display, show fuel.
System control. Fuel pressed.
Landing lights off.
Roger. Landing lights off already.
Switch off runway turn off light.
Sure. Turn off. Lights. Switched off.
Thank you.
What? I beg your pardon?
Just
Switched
lights.
on. Not really acceptable, this setting.
Switch on high intensity lights. High intensity lights on.
1000 to go. Got it. Lights on.
Thank you. Roger, Martin Air 231, climb flight level 230. Set altitude flight level 2C30.
Selecting flight level 230.
Heavy, what's your altitude? Your assigned altitude is flight level 230.
Roger, Martin Air 231, climbing to flight level 230.
Martin Air 231, heavy contact, wind control 130.55. We'll see you later.
Roger, Martin Air 231, contacting Vienna control. Over to centre.
Yep, okay. Didn't get that. Which frequency?
Roger, Martin Air 231, climbing to flight level 290. Set altitude flight level 290.
Selecting flight level 290.
Altitude interval.
Selected. Open climb mode. Selected.
Heavy climb, flight level 320.
Roger, Martin Air 231, up to 320. Set altitude flight level 320.
Selecting flight level 320.
Altitude interval.
Open climb mode. Selected.
Thank you. System display show status.
System control. Status. Pressed.
Turn the ice off.
Yep, wing anti-ice turned off already, boss.
Hydraulic systems to auto.
Hydraulic system control. Auto.
Engine de-ice off.
Affirmative. Engine anti-ice. 1, 2, 3. Selected off.
Thank you. Control.
System control. Environment control. Pressed.
System display show engine.
System control. Engine pressed.
System display show fuel.
System control. Fuel pressed.
ND range increased to 80.
ND range is set to 320.
ND range set to 80.
Nav display range is set to 80 miles.
Thank you. Over to centre.
Okay, please confirm frequency.
125.62.
Okay, Captain. Com radio on center.
Centre Martin Air 231 is with you. Flight level 320.
Air 3 Berlin control, roger.
HSI display airport.
The EFIS button. Airport selected.
HSI press airport. Deselect airport. ND select DOR.
The EFIS button. Minutes selected. The EFIS button. Waypoint selected.
ND deselect waypoint.
The EFIS button. Waypoint selected.
Centre Martin Air 231
Martin
is with
Air
you. Flight level
231 heavy,
320.
say again, contact.
Martin Air 231 Heavy, Berlin, control, roger.
ND display traffic.
The EFIS button. Traffic selected.
Air 231 Heavy, cleared direct, Delta Lima Echo.
Roger, Martin Air 231 direct to Delta Lima Echo. System display show fuel.
System control. Fuel pressed.
system display. Select config menu.
System control. Recall. Pressed.
Control 134.55, air early 1742.
Contact Raymond Control.
VHF going to
119.82.
Roger, Martin 8231.
Sure. Sorry, could you repeat?
Set flight level 290.
Descend flight level 240.
Roger, Martin Air 231. Set flight level 240.
Roger. Selecting flight level 240.
Altitude interval.
Open climb mode. Selected. Done.
Contact Raymond Control 134.95.
Roger, Martin Air 231. Over to centre.
Okay. You asked for what? Frequency?
134.95.
Helpful.
Set 134.95 on COM 1.
Sure. Cam 1. Radio 1. Go into center 134.95. No action is required. It is selected, boss.
Centre.
Martin Air 231 Heavy. Say again. Contact Raymond Control on 134.95.
Roger, Martin Air 231. Centre, Martin Air 231 is with you. Descending flight level 240.
Martin Air 231 Heavy. Bremen Control. Roger.
Bremen Control. Rubens 415 at flight level 250.
Rubens 415. Bremen Control. Roger.
System display. Select config menu.
System control. Recall. Pressed.
Over to centre.
Okay. Beg your pardon. Repeat that. Frequency.
132.90.
Lovely.
Martin Air 2.
Yeah, Radio 1
Heavy.
now on
Say again.
center.
Contact Bremen Control on 132.90.
Roger, Martin Air 231. Centre, Martin Air 231 is with you.
Martin Air 231 Heavy. Bremen Control. Roger. When ready, descend flight level 140.
Set flight level 140.
1000 to go. Got it. Setting flight level.
Roger, Martin Air 231.
Set.
Okay, Martin Air 231.
988 Bremen Control. Roger.
Yeah, the checklist coming. Checklist.
Lufthansa 1478.
Data.
Contact Bremen Control 135.65. Bremen Control 135.65. Lufthansa 1478.
Set checklist.
We've yet to complete the other checklist, boss. Okay, sorry, didn't get it. Cancel checklist. Confirm that. Reading the checklist. Captain, checklist. Landing data.
Set.
Altimeters.
Set.
Exterior lights.
That's required.
Minimum altitude.
Check.
Approach. Briefing.
Complete.
Hydraulic panel.
Auto.
Windshield anti-ice.
On.
Please check status again.
231 Heavy. Contact Dusseldorf Control 118.75.
Check the item again. The normal setting is on. Checklist complete.
Centre, Martin Air 231 is with you. Descending to flight level 140.
Martin Air 231 Heavy. Dusseldorf Control. Roger.
Centre, Martin Air 231 needs to leave the frequency for weather.
Martin Air 231 Heavy. Report back up within 4 minutes.
Roger, Martin Air 231. Select auto brake medium.
Auto brake. Medium. I take it you know the runway in use?
Wind 030 at 12. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Sky clear. Temperature 1 dew point minus 11 QNH 1010.
Roger, Martin 83.
1 heavy, descend, flight level 120. Start down now please. I need you level at 30 miles or less.
Roger, Martin 83. 1. Altitude is V.
Open climb mode selected.
MD range 40.
Nav display range is set to 40 miles.
060 at 6, visibility 10 kilometers or more, clouds, view 20,000, temperature 0, dew point minus 11, QNH 1011, landing and departing, runway 05, left, about to approach you have information, Oscar.
LNAV.
Setting LNAV engaged.
ND to 40 miles.
EHSI mode is set to ILS mode set.
ND to map.
Traffic.
231 heavy contact approach 125.22.
Roger, Martin Air 231. Approach, Martin Air 231 would like IAP approach, the full ILS runway 5 left.
Martin Air 231 heavy, maintain 3,000 feet until the initial cleared the full runway 05 left, approach QNH 1011.
Roger, Martin Air 231. Set altitude 3,000.
Roger, selecting altitude 3,000.
Set speed 200.
Roger, okay, I will.
Flaps 1.
Speed check. Flaps 1 selected. Selecting speed 200. Okay, what did you ask for? Speed
200.
I appreciate that. Done.
Flaps 15.
Flaps 15 selected. Flaps confirmed. Do we have the runway in use yet?
Altitude again.
Open climb mode selected.
It's runway 5 left. MD range 10.
Nav display scale is set to miles. Got that.
Hide ATC. Hide ATC. Short ATC. Say again.
Forget it, nothing important.
Flaps 28.
Yep, okay, say that again please. 28 flaps.
Yes.
Okay, nice to work as a crew. Flaps 28 selected.
Gear down.
Got it. Gear, speed check. Moving down. And locked. Flaps 3-5 selected.
Cancel master caution.
Master caution depressed.
Set speed 180.
Yeah, selecting speed 180.
Set speed 160.
Commander, beg your pardon, repeat that. Speed
160. Before landing checklist.
checklist. Starting before landing checklist. Landing gear.
Down, 4 green.
Altimeters.
Cross-check.
Procedure minimums.
Confirm.
Flaps.
Landing.
Spoilers.
Armed.
Auto brake.
Asti side. Auto brake. Medium.
Now set essential items. Checklist. Auto brake. Medium. Do we have the runway in use yet?
5 left.
Runway 5 left.
Bravo 639 SD 250 inbound the Pampas.
Bravo 69, hello, ILS straight in for runway 27. Weather information is India.
Pass the auto marker.
Thank you. What's our altitude?
1,300 feet.
India received and straight into 7 for Bravo 639.
From 2040 left, heading 340.
Heading 340, I'm on to your
1,000 feet above ground.
Approaching 0.
Speedbird 1632 right, heading 125.
Heading 125, Speedbird 1632.
$500.
500 feet.
Continue. Landing.
400.
Japan cargo 083, call radar 1293.
1933. Minimums.
Minimum.
Long landing. Long landing.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Good time.
UK 18 Echo down 2000. 2000.
Reverse thrust. Brakes active. Reverse thrust deployed.
4,000 feet remaining.
70 knots.
Idle thrust.
Idle thrust. Got that.
Target 297, call radar.
So you said what? Autopilot, Commander.
297, good day.
Clean up flow.
Clean up flow.
France 2040 left, 300, cleared for approach, runway 27.
Left 300, clear report, 27 France 040.
Approaching 23 left.
Well, that was naughty, pulling the parking brake that way.
Shutdown procedure.
Shutdown coming.
Connected. Parking checklist.
Forgive me, what did you say? Parking checklist.
Yes.
Helpful. Yep, let's start the checklist. Parking checklist. Engine anti-ice.
Off.
Wing anti-ice.
Off.
Emergency power.
Off.
Parking brake.
On.
IRS.
Off.
System display status.
Checked.
Parking checklist complete.
Thanks a lot. Shut down engine 3.
Okay, what? I beg your pardon? Engine shutdown?
Yes.
Nice to work as a crew. Engine shutdown 3.
Shut down engine 1.
Yep, okay. What did you ask for? Engine shutdown?
Yep.
Helpful. Engine shutdown 1.
Shut down engine 2.
Okay, sorry Captain, didn't get it. Engine shutdown?
Yep.
Cheers. Engine shutdown 2.
Thank you.